Stop wasting time with manual cold calls and let artificial intelligence transform your outreach. First, you'll need a Google Sheet. Create columns for your leads: information, name, phone number, company, and any notes you'll gather. The key here is organized data, so add any information you think might be beneficial to the AI and your sales journey. Now, let's get your Retell AI account set up. Connect your account to access AI-driven calling. Next, customize your AI persona. Adjust things like its voice, pitch, and response style. This will serve as what you are calling from. Then, upload your pre-made scripts tailored for each lead, making sure to create a clear starting point. Integrate Retell AI with Google Sheets. Use Retell's integration options to link back to your sheet. Specify which column contains phone numbers. Start batch creating automated calls. This link allows the AI to retrieve those details for each unique call. Retell AI automates your calls to your customer list, allowing you to make massive amounts of calls efficiently. Track your call progress here, and note if the AI was successful in the calling process. From here, sort who you want to follow up with. Finally, within Google Sheets, Retell AI logs the call outcomes. Review your response in the call script response column. Analyze which scripts perform best and the types of leads that gave you the most opportunities. Use this data to refine your approach. This powerful automation allows for smarter, more efficient cold calling.